Welcome to our channel. Traveling light makes international trips easier and more enjoyable. Step 1. Choose a carry-on sized bag that meets airline requirements. Step 2. Select clothing in coordinating colors to create multiple outfits with fewer pieces. Step 3. Plan outfits in advance and pack only what you'll actually wear. Step 4. Wear your bulkiest items like jackets and boots during travel. Step 5. Use compression bags or packing cubes to maximize space. Step 6. Bring travel-sized toiletries or plan to buy them at your destination. Step 7. Pack multi-purpose items like sarongs that work as blankets, beach covers, or scarves. Step 8. Limit electronics to essentials and use devices that serve multiple functions. Step 9. Take photos of important documents and store them digitally as backup. Step 10. Wear layers on the plane instead of packing multiple heavy items. Step 11. Remember you can do laundry while traveling rather than packing for every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.